Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your dataset is analysis ready. Check missingness, outliers, and variable coding. Next, define the dependent variable in each predictor, choosing reference levels and units so results are interpretable. Then run the first regression, OLS or logistic depending on the outcome, and immediately save coefficients, standard errors, p-values, and global fit metrics like R2 or pseudo-R2. Once done, create a clean results table file so you can iterate without rerunning raw preprocessing steps. You now evaluate core assumptions. Inspect residual plots for linearity and homoscedasticity, and test residual normality when relevant. Check multicollinearity with VIF. If VIF 510, remove or combine predictors, or use PCA. Consider adding interaction terms or transforming variables to improve fit and rerun diagnostics. Use AIC, BIC, or adjusted R2 to compare nested models. Explain why you kept or dropped variables. Make sure to document each change so readers can follow your model building logic. You finalize by creating a concise results table showing coefficients, standard errors, p-values, and 95% confidence intervals, plus sample size and model fit stats. Then write clear interpretations of main effects, translate coefficient units into practical terms, and include an example. Attach robustness checks, code appendices, and model selection notes so results are reproducible. If things go wrong, rerun diagnostics on a stripped model. If a predictor dominates or unstable, check for data errors or
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.